Daddy, where are you?
Send it. Nailed it. Yeah. What's going on all my sexy party people? It's your boy, Afro Sniper X. Oh yes, back in the heezy for sheezy with another one. Guys, just this past week, I released a post on YouTube asking all my fans and subscribers, what would you guys like to see get destroyed, right? Man, thank you to all you guys that commented on the post because I got a grip of ideas and I used every single idea that you guys gave me and put it in today's video. So it's gonna be a kick butt time, awesome, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, super hypnotic, funky, fresh, good time. Woo! It was hard for me to get all that out. I need some water. Well, no time for that right now, right? So, all the guns that we are using today is the Galatian Tactical Auto, the T4E 50 cal revolver by Umrex, the Umrex Morph, the Umrex Gauntlet 25 caliber, oh yes, and the Crossman DPMS Full Auto. Yes, I tried to go through all my guns and figure out which one would really just put the smack down and the hurting and the beat down on a target in slow motion. And those are the ones I came up with out of all my guns. So it's going to be super duper awesome. 2 thumbs up. Can I hit it with the Kool-Aid? Oh yeah. Just did that. So let's get out to the range. Let's get this popping. Let's get it started. Let's send it. Let's nail it. Let's put it down. Oh yeah, it's all going down right here at the Afro Sniper X YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, what the heck have you been doing? Subscribe. If you're on Instagram, follow your boy, Afro Sniper X. It's the same name. Same as Facebook. Go ahead and give your boy a like, a follow, and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, I'm not here to sell you guys. I'm here to show you some awesome content. Let's get into it. Alright guys, here was one of the requests. We got one of the melons right here, and I got a little special surprise inside of the melon. So we're gonna take a shot using the Umrex Gauntlet 25 caliber. Woohoo! Yes, it's gonna be awesome. Big shout out to Umrex. Oh yeah, let's do this. That was cool. That was cool. Oh, a lot happened here. Look at that. It's still bleeding. He's still bleeding. Uh-oh. And look at this. Blew out that whole back right there. Awesome, right? Oh my goodness. Let's peel the skin. And check out the ballistic damage. Yeah? Let's do it. It's kind of yucky. Seeds and guts everywhere. So, they blew out the back. I mean, yeah, pretty well, I must add. I know you're like, what the hell did he put in there? Well, this is an Airgun channel, right, guys? I'm going to show you. That is actually a pretty easy configuration. See, I wrapped it really well. Okay, peel the skin back, or else you get the air gun again. There we go. Bam! Good God, yeah, we blew that out. Check that out, guys. Blew the whole thing freaking out. That's that 25 Gauntlet. Perfect entry. Right in the nose. What I put in there? Oh, a little boomstick. You guys know how I like to use these. Oh yes. And that was all I did. So that gauntlet did the rest in the air canister. It really worked to perfection. Check that out. Split the whole melon. I'll take a bite of this, but it literally smells like delicious fruit and fragrance. And grandma's favorite fragrance. Well, we got a nice little entry. Nice. Real nice. Check that out, guys. Real nice entry. The exit was just freaking spectacular, magnificent. So, hell yeah. Woo! Well, now we're about to shoot a pumpkin, as it was another request. Oh yes, we're about to get it rocking. Big shout out to Flatbroke Airgunner. Thank you for the gear, man. The drip is fresh. Oh yes. But what's going to be different about the pumpkin than what we did on the melon is we're going to do a full clip of semi-automatic Galatian Tactical Auto at this pumpkin. And once again, I got a little something special inside. So let's
get it rocking. Let's get it shooting. Let's send it. Let's do it. Oh yeah!
Ooh. Not bad, not bad. That was the Galatian Tactical Auto. Alright, let's see what we're working with here, guys. Ooh, just missed a pellet right there. Check that out. So, looks like we got some decent expansion on this one. Check that out. That's from the Galatian Tactical Auto. That's using the Gamma Red Fires. Maybe I should have chose the round a little bit better. Got another one. Meshed up pretty good. That meshed up pretty good. But other than that, oh, you can see one of the Gamma Red Fires in there. Check that out. Peekaboo! Look at that. Hiding up in there. Yeah. So, good stuff, good stuff. Alright. Let's do load it up. Hear the snap? Oh yeah. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's run one more clip in there. Why not? I got an extra one in my pocket. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's in there pretty deep. Time to bust it open. Here we go. Look at that. Look like seeds in there. Check this, guys. They're rubber balls for days. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, let's see what happened. I'm gonna shake it. And we shoot the Urex Morph at it. All right, guys, it is going down. So we're gonna have some fun plinking using the Galatian Tactical Auto. We got some pickles, some jello, some slime, some jello, some eggs, and some flour. All these items that have been in the today's video have all been requested from the viewers, the subscribers, and the fans. So thinking about doing one of these type of videos maybe like every once a month, you know, just to engage and have some fun with you guys, you know, just to have some fun and shoot some stuff up, and that way you guys get to see your favorite things getting shot up, right? Hell yes. And even got the spam, and kind of hungry right now, so delicious. All right, now that I've satisfied my appetite, we'll put this bad boy right here. Sorry, Danny, I got hungry. Shout out to Flat Broke Airgun. Let's get this popping, guys. Let's do this. Let me load up a clip. Man, I had an awesome time with you guys today, man. This was awesome. Thank you guys for all the awesome ideas. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and hit me up on Facebook. It was just 2 thumbs up of a time. Thank you once again for all your awesome ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was amazing. I feel like turning into the Hulk. That's how amazing it is. Amazing. I wish I was buff like RX targets. That's my buddy over there, man. Hope everything's going well wherever you guys are at in the world. It's your boy Afro Sniper X. Peace out. I love y'all. You guys are amazing. Stay funky fresh, and I will see y'all on the next episode. Oh yeah.